welcome to the Eyelash Excellence YouTube channel, and today I'm going to talk about two products that I think every lash artist needs in their kits, which is Speedy Lash and Rapid Cure. Now we're very lucky or fortunate these days to have so many different products available to us in the industry that we just didn't have years ago. And these products make our life so much easier. So like I said, do recommend that you have them in your kit. Now the first one that I want to talk about is the Speedy Lash, okay? So this is a great product. Now Speedy Lash is actually an accelerator. So what it's going to do is it's going to speed up the cure of your adhesive. So this is going to be especially important if you're working with Russian volume and you're finding that your fans are closing. So it's going to help speed up the cure. And the great thing about this product is it actually can be applied to the strip of the lashes, and it also can be applied directly to your client. So you can decant this onto a micro brush and put this on the client's lashes. There's a lot of products out there that can only be used on the lashes, and the reason being is they're not safe to be used on the eyes. But we've worked very hard over the months to find a safe product which is produced in the UK, which is EU approved and completely safe, unlike some of the very strong accelerators that you can get out there. So this is a product that I will always use if my humidity is a little bit low. So sometimes in the winter, it can be quite low if we're having a cold snap. Or again, sometimes in the summer, it can be quite dry. So it might be warm, but it might be dry. And you'll be finding that your glue will be curing slower because there's less humidity in your salon environment. So you're going to need something like this. There's also the days where maybe your salon's a little bit cold, maybe you've come in the morning and you haven't quite been able to get the temperature up to where you want it to be, and you're finding that your fans are closing, or sometimes that client just doesn't have a lot of moisture in her lashes, so you'll find that the fans will close. Okay, it can be used for classic lashing as well, but most of the time this is a great product. So, like I said, you paint this on the lashes, just let it just dry off for about a minute or two. Give the lashes a good brush through, and then you can apply some to your client's natural lashes as well. You'll tend to know when it started to go off and you need to reapply a little bit more, usually about 20 minutes or so. But again, this is a product that I can't beat without. The other great thing about this product is it prevents your fans getting what called travel up. So have you ever created a beautiful, lovely open fan, and then you've come back about 10 minutes later when you're still working that set, and you find that the fan has closed and it's gone from this beautiful sort of open V-like shape, and then now it's got a very closed base, almost like the letter Y from the alphabet. So this product prevents that travel up. And again, it was something that we didn't have years ago in the industry. We just had to struggle and just put up with this. But now with the use of these great products, there is no excuse. So we can actually produce the most beautiful sets now compared to what we could do years ago when we didn't have access to products like this. So always have this on your lash trolley, because you never know when you're going to need an accelerator. Now the other thing that I can't be without is my Rapid Cure. So this is a bonder. Now there are a lot of these out there on the market. This does exactly the same job. This is a really affordable product compared to a lot of the ones that I've seen out there that sort of range, I think, from $60 to $70. So this one is actually really affordable. And what you do with this Rapid Cure is you use this at the end of the treatment. So what this actually helps to do is to seal the bonds. So this product, decant it onto a micro brush, and at the end of the set you're going to be painting this along the bonds of the lashes. Now I don't recommend that you use this if your humidity is naturally very high, because your adhesive is going to be curing quite quickly anyway, so we don't want to activate that even more. But if you're working at a normal humidity, this can be great, especially if you've got clients that do struggle with retention. So always use this. Also, if you have clients that have a little bit of a sensitivity to lash glue, so I'm not talking about full-blown sensitivities or reactions, but sometimes they just find that their eyes may sting a little bit, then this is great, again, because you're going to paint it on. So obviously decant it so there's no cross-contamination. Paint it onto your client, and then what it's going to help to do is to seal those bonds and prevent any of those vapours from escaping and irritating the eye. So very affordable product, guys. Products that are a must have, that are available on the Eyelash Excellence shop. Always get them, always have them on your trolley. Can't be without them, because you never know when you are going to be needing them. And for us lash technicians that were in the industry before we had any of these products available to us, we've realised what a game changer these products are, and how, I don't know how we actually lived without them. So like I said, Go and visit the Eyelash Excellence shop. Come and see our range of completely affordable products. You know, all of our products are affordable. They are all extremely safe. We're very, very passionate about client health. We always, where possible, manufacture our products within the UK. So all of our cosmetic-based products are manufactured in the UK and have very, very strict EU regulations on them, so that you know that what you are buying is safe and what you are putting on your clients is safe, because this is very, very important. Just because you can buy a product on the internet, and I see so many of out there being sold, does not mean it is safe, because a lot of them come out of countries that do not have strict regulations. They go onto the open market and they be sold. So you need to know that what you are buying is safe. And if you visit reputable sellers, so usually big lash companies that have working lash artists that do the research into these products and develop the products themselves, you can have confidence that these products are safe, and you can ask the questions on these products as well, because we know about how these products work, and we work very, very closely with our manufacturers to ensure that all of these products are safe. So I'm going to show you how we go about working with the Speedy Lash here, and we're going to be painting it onto the eyelash extensions that are on our palette or our dome or wherever you decide to store them to assist with the cure. So we're going to want to be decanting this onto a flocked applicator or anything similar like that, because we do not want any cross-contamination of the product. So you can either wipe it on here or you can dip straight into here. It's completely up to you. And then you only need a little bit. So if I had lots of lashes set up here, I would do this on all of them. Can you see here? I'm only doing about 1 centimetre, because I will probably need to reapply in about 20 minutes. And if I was to do the whole strip, it's just going to evaporate off. So I would actually do this on all of the lash lengths that I've got, so that I'm ready to go on to lashing my client. And like I said, you can also take a clean micro brush, dip it in there, or a flocked applicator, dip it in there and put it along your client's lashes. Just never ever double dip, guys. We never ever want any cross-contamination going on. Now don't forget to always give the lashes a good brush through. We have put a moist product on there, so it's obviously going to clump them together. So we just want that to evaporate a little bit. So just give those lashes a brush through, just to make sure that they're going to fan really nicely. And it really is as simple as that.